If you're thinking about buying a house or selling a house in Newport Beach, Newport Coast, or Corona del Mar, well, this video is for you as we're gonna dive into what's happening in the market this week. Let's take a quick 60-second look at the real estate market in Corona del Mar, starting with single-family homes. This week, the median list price is $7.9 million with an average of 132 days on the market. Homes are priced about $2,388 per square foot, and only about 17% of listings did a price reduction. The median monthly rent is about $16,000 a month, and the inventory still remains tight, with only 30 active listings currently available. All of this points to a slight seller's advantage. For condos, the median list price is much lower at $2.8 million, and condos are moving quicker, averaging about 80 days on the market. The price per square foot is about $1,943. However, about 30% of condo listings did a price reduction, and rent still sits about $6,200 a month, and currently the inventory is still significantly low, with only 27 units currently available on the market. Both markets do favor sellers, but buyers should keep an eye out for those price cuts, and definitely note that there's a lot of room for negotiation, especially with motivated sellers, as the days on markets continue to creep up. If we're to look at Newport Beach single-family homes, the median list price for homes is about $5.6 million, with properties spending about 145 days on the market. Homes are listed at about $1,766 per square foot, and only about 17% of homes did a price reduction. The median rent is about $14,000 a month, and currently there's 134 active listings on the market. This still shows a slight seller's advantage, but buyers do have some opportunities. If we were to look at condos in Newport Beach, they are definitely more affordable, with a median list price around $1.9 million, spending about 108 days on the market. The price per square foot is about $1,194, and about 19% of these listings did a price reduction as well. So the rent currently sits about $3,594 a month, and inventory did increase slightly to about 48 units. Still a slight seller's advantage, but momentum might be shifting, something buyers should keep an eye out for. If we were to look at Newport Coast single-family homes, currently the median list price is about $13.9 million, with homes spending about 159 days on the market. That's $2,022 per square foot, and 20% of listings did a price reduction, so buyers have a lot of opportunity to get a great deal on homes in Newport Coast right now. Despite rising inventory, you still have about 41 units on the market, so not a whole lot. Rent still remains high, about $26,938 per month, and the market index is at 31. This still suggests that there's a slight seller's advantage, but definitely that the market is cooling. If we're to look at condos in Newport Coast, the median price is currently about $2.5 million, with an average of 130 days on the market. The price per square foot is about $1,229, but a striking 60% of condos did a price reduction. So buyers, there's a lot of opportunity to be able to negotiate quite heavily here. If we were looking at inventory, there's only 5 units on the market, so yeah, it's not a whole lot. So inventory is still extremely tight. The median rent is about $4,340 a month. So it's still a seller's market, and the action index is 41, still just suggesting that the sellers have a slight advantage here. So the luxury market is definitely holding firm, but condo sellers are clearly under a little bit more pressure, even though things are moving a little bit quicker in the condo market.